If your doctor mentioned orbital surgery, you likely have questions about your vision, your recovery, and what actually happens. The orbit is the bony socket that holds your eye, the optic nerve, muscles that move the eye, and cushioning fat. Orbital surgery is a family of operations performed inside or around this socket to protect vision, remove growths, or repair bone. Doctors consider surgery for thyroid eye disease, orbital tumors, fractures, severe infections, tear drainage blockages, or pressure on the optic nerve. In thyroid eye disease, swollen tissues push the eye forward. Decompression removes small parts of the bony wall to create more space. For tumors, an orbitotomy opens the orbit through a hidden incision, often inside the eyelid, to remove or biopsy the growth. For fractures, surgeons lift trapped tissue back into place and support the broken floor with a thin titanium or polymer implant. Most operations use general anesthesia. Surgeons work through tiny hidden incisions, sometimes with an endoscope through the nose. Not every orbital problem needs surgery. Steroids, antibiotics, biological therapies, prism glasses, or watchful waiting are alternatives doctors also consider. Expect swelling and bruising for 1 to 2 weeks. Sleeping with the head elevated and using cold compresses help recovery in the first days. Most people return to desk work within 1 to 2 weeks. Heavy exercise and swimming usually wait 4 to 6 weeks. Risks include bleeding, infection, double vision, numbness, dry eye, and rarely vision loss. Your surgeon will discuss risks specific to your case. For thyroid eye disease, care is often staged. Decompression first, then muscle surgery, then eyelid surgery, months apart. Did you know you can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost?
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.